What's up, y'all? Welcome to Student for Life. I'm Quan, in a world where you learn every day. Today, I'm going to show you guys a video of me actually putting some, it's like the aluminum, like fiber insulation around my light box. I haven't been really liking the pictures I've been taking them, as far as eBay. I don't know. I'm just trying to, I guess, bounce some more light into it to make it look more, I guess, brighter. But I got a previous video of me building it, but so far this is what I got going on. This is the light box built. So I just got these lights just hanging there, which it's not giving me much good light. I don't know, I'm not good at this photography and stuff. Just trying to make it better as much as I can. So this is that. So I'm gonna head on and put some of this installation on here. I mean, I could have used aluminum foil, but I don't know, I guess trying to make it look decent at the same time too. But it was only $10 at Home Depot. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do right now. So enjoy the video. It actually took me the whole day to do this job. So when you got a house full of family, your days are short. So I do things around 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. Just like now. They're asleep. So just got the top roof on, filling in small pieces that need to be filled in. Look like I know what I'm doing, huh? But it actually came out to look pretty cool though. At least in my opinion. Man, I'm hungry right now. What about y'all? I'm about to make me some bread. Now you see my janky little setup. What do you think? Look pretty cool, huh? Hopefully you take some nice pictures with it. Got a couple of color backdrops I'm gonna use, so thanks for watching. Stay tuned to the next one. Peace.